Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Julie and Stanley from Living Large on Lifetime, and today it's time for another Wednesday Weekly. Today's topic is looking back to look forward. How does looking back at our past success affect our future goals? Are you losing motivation? Maybe things are getting a little overwhelming or stressful because of the holidays, or maybe you're on a plateau and you're not really sure where to turn or what to do. Looking back at our past success, number one, is going to boost our confidence and give us some motivation to keep going. Looking back and recognizing how far you've come, you can see, oh my gosh, I've done this successfully. I've come here successfully. I've learned this, I did that, and you know what? I can keep it up. I can do it again. Looking back at our past success also helps us realize what's working and what's not working so much. Take a look at your wellness journey in terms of food, for example. What have you changed in your wellness journey in the past month, 2 months, a year? What have you changed in the area of food that is working for you? I know I tend to choose more salads now, not only because I know they're healthy and they're good for me, but because I have changed my body so much that it craves the fresh, clean food. So has this been working for me? Yes, I have maintained my weight loss for 2 years, and I attribute a lot of that to choosing fresher, healthier food. So looking back on that as a success fuels my desire to continue with that, to continue choosing what's working. What about the area of activity? What have you changed in your wellness journey in regards to activity? I know that I walk a lot more than I used to. My daily goal, which I don't always hit, is 10,000 steps. I'm not looking for a goal of running 5 miles a day or lifting weights for 2 hours a day. I'm looking for a very mild, sustainable, doable goal of 10,000 steps a day. Has this goal helped me in my wellness journey? Absolutely. Because I'm not stretching for something that may be unreachable or undoable. 10,000 steps is totally doable, and wanting to get those 10,000 steps gets me moving throughout the day. Small movements, but small movements add up to 10,000 steps throughout the day, and all movement helps. What about the area of mindset? What have you changed in your mindset over this wellness journey? A lot of people think, oh no, it's just about the food that I eat and how much I move, how much activity I get. But we all know how to lose weight. We all know what to eat. We all know what to do. If it was that easy, we'd all be there, right? So much of it is in our mind. It's our mindset, and we have to work on that as well. So what have you changed in your wellness journey in terms of mindset? I know that I've had to forgive myself a lot. I'm a very, very black and white person. It's all or nothing, black or white. I've learned that I have to really forgive myself and take more of a balance stand when it comes to my wellness journey. For example, if I blow an eating episode, I have too much for lunch, for example, does that ruin my entire day? I'm so black and white, I might as well just ruin the entire day. But no, I've learned that I have to forgive myself and just move on. Forgive, accept, and move on. So that's one thing that I've had to shift in my mind, learning to be more of a balanced person. And has this helped my wellness journey? Absolutely, absolutely. It's taken a lot of time, a lot of mind shifts in a lot of different areas, but I'm leaning more towards balance versus being totally black and white, and I can see those changes in me over the last couple years. So take about 10 minutes, you guys, to really reflect and think about what is working for you, what kind of success have you had in your wellness journey so far that is working for you, but also think about the changes that you've made that have not worked, okay? For our future goals, let's set some realistic goals for ourselves. Let's take a look at what has worked and how we can fine-tune and improve what's worked in the past to make it work for us now. Weight Watchers is so sustainable. I feel like it's not It's definitely not a diet for me. It's a lifestyle. And in order to sustain this lifestyle, I've got to keep myself going and keep myself motivated by my past success and continue improving and fine-tuning and setting new goals for my future. Tell me down below, what kind of changes have you made in your WW journey in regards to food, activity, and mindset? And how does that fuel your future goals? What have you got coming up that you really want to work on, that you can look at your success and really apply that, whether it be apply it via motivation or some ideas that you've maybe abandoned in the past that might work for you again now. Think about it. Let me know down below. The recipe on the back is... The back of the weekly is WW Cruise Beef Tenderloin Dinner. So I'm assuming this is one of the meals that they serve actually on the cruise. It looks super good. I will put the recipe in the description box for you guys so you can make it if you want. I love beef. I don't love cooking. So if anybody wants to come and make this for me, I would happily eat it. Anyway, that's it for now. Think about looking back to look forward, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.